Welcome back everyone, this is Kanechi Arts and I do character designs and illustrations from the famous characters in comics, anime, and cartoons. And if that's your kind of thing, consider being part of this channel. Together, we can grow and improve our artistic skills. Okay, so last October guys, there is a contest wherein Huion is holding, wherein you will use their mascot, Leon, wherein you will use Leon as a subject for an illustration. So I decided to go with that competition and hoping to win a new Huion Kamvas 24 Pro. So I will show you now my process on how I create my entry for that contest. So let's proceed to the illustration. Welcome back everyone. So here is our progress so far. So the vibe that I'm going for in this illustration is the positivity and optimism, because that's what they're looking for here. And this composition is sort of like a triangle shaped type of composition, just like what I did to my other illustrations. And I put Leon at the center, wherein Leon is enclosed in a circular orb, which will indicate his positivity and innocence and being good to everyone. So I'm gonna shade this thing and I'm gonna put some color balance and I'll get back to you. Welcome back everyone. So here is our progress so far. So you can see based on my shading that the lighting of this illustration came from Leon, okay? Because I want you to take a look at him first, okay? Because he is the subject for this illustration, and then the light will radiate and light up her female counterpart, okay? So I'm gonna put some backgrounds and do some gradient maps and I'll get back to you. Welcome back everyone. So here is our progress so far. So one thing that you must keep in your mind when doing backgrounds for your illustration is to first plan it out so that you can have contrast, because contrast is very important in every illustration. So in this case I have so much detail for Leon here, so that I must keep the background simple so that it won't get so much attention and all of your attention will be focused to Leon, okay? So before I go, I put some lighting here. So here's the main light and the second light came from the moon, okay? So I'm gonna refine this thing and I'll get back to you with the final illustration. back everyone. So now we're done with the illustration and I feel like that I have a very strong chance to win the Huion Kamvas 24. So let's hope that will happen. And I want to share to you that at first I have some doubts to myself on why I would enter this kind of competition, wherein many people have a very high level of skill compared to mine. But I still go on, still pursue, I still take that chance. You know, it's like a leap of faith. It is a leap of faith, but you have to do your best so that when you lose, if ever you will lose, you know that you did your best and you learn something from it. Okay, so keep on doing the things that you know you have to do. Don't be afraid to lose because you will learn from it. Okay, so there is another video that I will post wherein I've drawn Leon again because I've posted 2 entries for that competition, so stay tuned for that. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.